must find out a guru. The first guru is Krishna. And anyone who is Krishna's representative, he is guru. Guru is Krishna, the original guru. And if Krishna representative is available, then he is also guru. Just like you are a businessman and anybody goes to canvass for business to get some order for your business, he is your representative. It is not very difficult to understand. If he is your representative and talks something nonsense, then he is not your representative. He is cheating you. He is taking your money and doing something else. No. Real representative is he who canvassing for Krishna. He is not canvassing for himself that I have become Krishna. No, he is not Guru. He is cheater. The representative is he who canvasses business for Krishna. That is Guru. Krishna wants this business. What is that? You rascal, give up everything and surrender unto me. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. Krishna wants this business. And Krishna's representative also says that you give up everything, simply surrender to Krishna. This is Krishna's representative. Sometimes we are very much eulogized, I have done a wonderful thing, but I have done as representative of Krishna. Same thing. I have told all these boys and girls nothing magic. I never showed any gold-making magic. I simply said to them that here is Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You surrender unto Him. That's all. Ask anything. I never said anything. But that is actually representative. Thank you very much.